Hi, my name is Paulius. I'm a lecturer here at ISM University of Management and Economics, and I'm also a doctoral candidate at the University of Cambridge. As a doctoral candidate, I'm mostly researching various machine learning algorithms, how to make them trustworthy, robust, reliable. As a visiting lecturer here at ISM, I'm teaching students how to use different machine learning and AI tools, how to answer questions with statistics and various econometrics tools. We're organizing this course together with ISM to fill in the need in the market for people with research skills who could develop these deep learning technologies. So what are these deep learning technologies? If you look around today, you will see that there's a lot of innovation happening. You have people building language models, you have people building image models, people who are coming up with video generators, so you type in some text and you suddenly get a video output. People are building music models where you can create new music. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2024 was also awarded to people who developed a deep learning algorithm and a machine learning algorithm. All of these innovations, they come underneath a big umbrella term, which is deep learning. What we've discovered is, which is really an impressive thing, is that the fundamental technologies between these different disciplines, they don't change. The kinds of technologies we use for video generation, for molecule generation, and for language models are fundamentally very similar technologies. What's different is what you put in and what you get out, but the technology itself is extremely similar, and they follow very similar principles to begin with. The reason why we're organizing this course called Advanced Deep Learning is to equip you with the ability to create these technologies. We want you to not only be a user of these technologies, that is, we don't want you to just use the outputs of a language model, of a video generation model, or of an audio generation model. We want to create the ability for you to build these models yourself. If you want to do research and development in machine learning, there's quite a high barrier to entry. Typically, you're expected to know statistics, mathematics, computer science, programming. You need to know things like how to multiply matrices. You need to know what vectors are, properties of vectors, properties of distributions, all of these different difficult things. And you still need to know them. But I think there's a clear gap, which is oftentimes people have these skill sets, but we don't take the final step in teaching people what is the way to use these skills to suddenly build and train various deep learning models that underlie a lot of the innovations happening today. Basically, we start off with the key fundamentals that you must know in order for you to be successful. So we're going to be covering things like information theory, KL divergence, properties of different distributions. Really hard topics, but you have to know them before you dive into something much deeper. And by the end of the class, you will be doing state-of-the-art deep learning research, which means you will be learning how to implement and build things like diffusion models or flow matching models. These are the state-of-the-art algorithms used in many applications today. So how is the class organized? Every week, there's a lecture and a seminar. In the lecture, we cover the theory that you need to know in order for you to do this advanced deep learning. In the seminar, we go through it hands-on. We code in Python, we implement these algorithms in PyTorch. In addition to these, I will be giving out weekly lecture notes that you can use to better understand the topic and prepare in advance. And during the course, we're really mixing between both the theory, but also how it's used in direct R&D research and development applications. That is, every week, I also provide you with direct ways how the things we're covering are actually used in different academic papers, in different industry innovations. So you directly see when you're actually studying anything, how does that connect to a specific application that's being done within the research. At the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation for building advanced deep learning algorithms.